Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 8 syllables. That's from here till there. And it is on page number 15 of Al-Qaeda Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Ra Fatha Waw Sukoon Raw. Ra can be light or heavy, but in this case it's heavy because it has Fatha on top of it. Ra is a heavy letter and it has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukoon. Ra Fatha Waw Sukoon Raw. Ra Fatha Waw Sukoon Raw. Ra Fatha Waw Sukoon Raw. The next syllable we have is Ra Fatha Ya Sukoon Ray. Ra is heavy letter in this case. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukoon. Ra Fatha Ya Sukoon Ray. Ra Fatha Ya Sukoon Ray. Ra Fatha Ya Sukoon Ray. So now we have Raw Ray. Raw Ray. The next syllable we have is Za Fatha Waw Sukoon Zaw. Za is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Waw. Waw has a Sukoon. Za Fatha Waw Sukoon Zaw. Za Fatha Waw Sukoon Zaw. Za Fatha Waw Sukoon Zaw. The next syllable we have is Za Fatha Ya Sukoon Zay. So Za is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukoon. Za Fatha Ya Sukoon Zay. Za Fatha Ya Sukoon Zay. Za Fatha Ya Sukoon Zay. Now we have Zaw Zay. Zaw Zay. The next syllable we have is Sin Fatha Waw Sukoon Saw. Sin is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukoon. Sin Fatha Waw Sukoon Saw. Sin Fatha Waw Sukoon Saw. Sin Fatha Waw Sukoon Saw. The next syllable we have is Sin Fatha Ya Sukoon Say. Sin is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukoon. Sin Fatha Ya Sukoon Say. Sin Fatha Ya Sukoon Say. Sin Fatha Ya Sukoon Say. Now we have Saw Say. Saw Say. The next syllable we have is Sheen Fatha Waw Sukoon Shaw. Sheen is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Waw, and Waw has a Sukoon. Sheen Fatha Waw Sukoon Shaw. Sheen Fatha Waw Sukoon Shaw. Sheen Fatha Waw Sukoon Shaw. The next syllable we have is Sheen Fatha Ya Sukoon Shay. Sheen is a light letter. It has Fatha on top of it. It is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sukoon. Sheen Fatha Ya Sukoon Shay. Sheen Fatha Ya Sukoon Shay. Sheen Fatha Ya Sukoon Shay. Shaw Shay. Shaw Shay. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Raw Ray. Raw Ray. Zaw Zay. Zaw Zay. Saw Say. Saw Say. Shaw Shay. Shaw Shay. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 8 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.